Hello, let's play the Netflix puzzled Starstruck for June 30th. We'll do the easy then the hard. The easy is called 6 to 3. Let's play. So, the way we play this game is in each row, each column, and each colored region, we're placing exactly one star. We also can't let stars touch, even diagonally. So this region here is just a one-cell region. It gets a star right there. Now red has only one place, yellow has one place. So wherever the star goes in orange, this will touch that star, so it's not in. That leaves just one place in green, one place in orange, indigo, and brown, and we're done. And that was pretty much a plonker. All right. I was, even after explaining the game, only slightly above average time. All right, let's do the hard. It's called 3 worms. All right, so the very first thing I see is this top row is only indigo. So wherever we place the star, it's going to be an indigo, so we get rid of the rest of indigo because it has to be in the top row. This next row is only brown now, so the rest of brown is gone. And that gives us a star in this row, right, where green is. Okay. What now? We have these worms. This formation gets rid of this one, and this one. This formation gets rid of that one and that one that's already out. The 2 blues get rid of both of these, which touch this one and share a row with this one. What else? Is there a lineup I can use over here? So I'm seeing purple, I'm seeing red. But if I do these 3 columns, oh, this column here needs to place a star. That's handy. Now we're in one of these 2. Okay, purple and red. Gray or yellow. So I guess what I'm noticing about this, I don't even know if this is helpful, but I like to point out the things I'm thinking about and noticing rather than, sometimes they are helpful, sometimes not. But in these 3 columns, what I'm noticing is we have an almost lineup, right? The purple and the red are definitely in between these. We need 3 in total for the 3 columns. And so the question I asked was, okay, what if it was in this yellow? Well, then that would eliminate this red. So what I was actually thinking about was if we were to place a star here in red, notice how it gets rid of all of these yellows, right? What's important is these, which means that the yellow can't contribute to these columns anymore. So we'd have to place one right here in blue. And, oh no, we could put it in, sorry, we could also put it in one of the grays. But yeah, this omits yellow. I guess it's not all that helpful. Like I said, it probably wasn't. All right, let's look for something else. Do these 2 blues do anything else of use? Not that I'm seeing. Is there, maybe I should look for more lineups. Is there anything to these leftmost columns? Brown, orange, gray. Yeah, I think so. We take these 4 columns here. Let's just write it out. There's 4 columns, so we're targeting 4 stars. One will definitely be in brown. One will definitely be in orange because they're just fully to the left. Oh, so we have dark orange, gray, and yellow left. Darn. Okay, so it's not that. Let's see here. Oh, bottom 2 rows though are only dark orange and purple, and that's going to be big because it gets rid of all these grays. And so now gray is in one of these 2. That affects this row, and that gives us the blue, which gives us the red as well. And now we know we have to take this gray. Yeah, an easier way to say that is in this column it's only purple, and now this column it's only gray. We get the dark orange here. what we're yellow's down to one of these two, which eliminate that one and these two because they would touch it. The two above and two below always get eliminated when you have two left. So now we have the orange and the yellow and the brown, and we're done. Okay. So I don't know. Like, there was so much going on. I just missed the easy lineup of the bottom two rows, which was extremely key to finishing the puzzle. Couldn't avoid that one. All right, as much as I tried. Anyway, how'd you do?